guys, we are now back in the old south. I'm standing in front of my lovely little backdrop because we have a posing lesson with Gabs today. I'm really excited. I love working with Gabs. She's amazing. She's great. I'll leave her little @ here if you want to go check her out. Can't wait for my back to hurt. It's just super important. I think the closer I get to shows, obviously I'm 14 weeks out now from my first show, but obviously posing is so important. I have been posing in my off season as well, but I think when you start to get a little bit leaner, things start to look a little bit better and you start to see your shape a bit more. So we're going to pose and then we're going to meal prep. And I need to do a big tidy up of my room because a tidy room is a tidy mind. I'll always live by that.
Hello, my angel. How are you? Oh my god, it's been so long.
I know, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, this is such a fucking strong shot. Oh my god, it wasted money. Good, really good with the hips. Really nice. Lovely. That's really nice, good.
But as I'm doing it, I'm literally like, I'm pulling my waist in so much. Yeah, because I think you're constantly sort of, you're obviously just, you're thinking about keeping it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't go far if you need. And turn around, walk to the front. Lovely.
We are now stepping and getting our H2O in. I'm going to keep this a bit short because you're going to hear the treadmill and you're going to be like, oh my god, okay, that's so annoying. But the sun's coming out, which is really nice. I'm so grateful that we're finally getting a little bit more into the warmer months because obviously with prep and obviously in a deficit, in a cut, you get cold a lot quicker. And I'm a naturally cold person anyway, so I'm literally just layered up all the time. We're not having a good day. Migraines are picking up. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tidy up my room. I'm not even gonna show you, it's so bad. But I'm gonna tidy up my room and just try and get a super early night because yeah, I just want to go back to the gym and I just feel like everything, migraines are just so debilitating. And I try and do everything I can to mitigate it, but when they crop up, they crop up. And I try not to think too much about it because the stress is obviously not going to make it any better. But yeah, we're going to have a big tidy up, make me a yogurt bowl, sit down and just chill. I'm going to turn my light down as well, but I'm just turning it on purely so you can see me. So yeah, we're going to tidy this shit show up. And then, yeah, head to bed. So yeah. Okay, we're all done. Room is tidy. We actually have a bed, we can move around. Also, I'm an honour girly through and through. I love them with all my heart, but this Young LA tracksuit, since I got it, has not come off of me, and it is chef's kiss. The hood, the thickness, the hardware, like this bit is like little metal, like it's just the oversizedness, the bagginess, maybe it's just because I'm not feeling too good and I just need comfort right now, but this is just beautiful. I'm never taking it off of me. And I kind of want to get it in so many different colours. It's a video.
Hi.
No. Is there anything you want to say to the vlog, Mum?
Having a good day, looking after Kelly's dog. Well, she takes pictures of everyone and herself.
Just capturing the memes, you know. I don't know if my camera's going to stay there or it's going to fall, but we are on our way to get a little bit of body work done. Mainly in, I think we're going to go upper body today and just smooth some shit out. Plus I hope it's going to help with sort of like my migraines and my tension, because there's a lot of tension in my neck. So hopefully that will sort that out. I should probably put my glasses on because I can't see.
Experiencing the tension or one side more than the other.
We are on the way home. That was really nice though. I felt like I needed that. Side note, new obsession is I think you pronounce her name Leve, but oh my god, I'm absolutely obsessed with her music at the moment. I've always taken a liking to jazz music, and she's very jazz. She's very jazzy, so I really like her music. So yeah, give her a listen. She's really, really cool. So we have just arrived at the gym. It is a glutes and hamstrings session. Head's feeling a little bit, it's like right here. I can't explain it. Like, it's just here. Right there. I know it's a tension headache. I've literally gone through so many packs of paracetamol. I have no idea how to fully get rid of this. Like, it feels right there. But anyways, let's go train. I got my lovely little water jug filled with what looks like pee. It's actually orange soda flavoured Hydroflow from Conte. So I'm gonna chug this and I'll bring you along with me on my glute session, and I'll try and film some little bits for you. But let's hope it's good.
Disfrazo según mi caro lo hace más. Disfrutando de cosas que traen los peces van. Disfrutando de noches de esas que las no se van, pero no se van. Pero tarando en gol. Anda viste Marvel. La voz se ajusta en mi ya. Vi contarte las cosas che non te con tu. Ti datto la foto ti mata sabon. Solo battere dai anche scesa. Ando quitta boyama, yeah, la me. Es por eso andamos ba, yeah. Baby, one can bro. Con el no con toro, furita, big boy. Estoy play song, baila, métete el tip, lucamos una bro. Bella bailera, vivamos mi corazón. Y si mira la noche di capre te vito. Io la non nombro che saranno soppie. Paso dicen que tonca si se curó. En notito guerivo, vestilo. Moteros pa' oro, cantilo. Para Avicii na foca con Cuba lo Bianca da beso, ya rezo, la tres soy yo cubo. Bomba lo que no vi al ángel Samure. Y si ando corrota porque nalure.
Do you recall late summer nights? We were moving through the city under broken lights. No plans ahead, just time to waste. Every little promise fading in the haze. Running through the quiet, trying not to fall. Every step reminded we don't know it all. Blow up a sign, let it go in the ground, shaking underneath us. Lose the
Hello guys, thought I'd just jump on here and sign off because I like to just film stuff and then not sign it off and then upload it without actually saying anything else. But yeah, that was a little insight to this week. A few little things obviously in regards to my migraines, like it comes in like peaks and troughs. So like earlier today it was really bad, like it was like completely across here. It was mainly like where you would typically have a migraine, so like it was in my temples and it was like right in the centre here, like there's just like it was like a sinus pressure sort of thing. I did go to the GP because it was just stressing me out because I've literally had this for just over a week now. And obviously the anxiety in me was like, oh my god, like I'm going to pass out. But yeah, I've got a blood test just to see if we're working, to see if we're functioning, I suppose. I'm not really sure what that is, but on a more positive note, the following next few weeks are going to be really exciting because we have our bikini fitting, which I'm super excited for. I still don't know what colour I'm going to go for. I think because my posing suit is blue, I don't want blue. Do you know what I mean? I think it's because maybe it's just me, but I see myself in blue all the time, that I want something different. But you never know until you get there. Also, side note, I washed my hair, and you know when you wash your hair and you blow dry it and it just feels like there's product in it still? That's me right now. It's making me really upset. It's not, I'm just being extreme. I'll just have to wash it tomorrow. But yeah, if you stayed this long, thank you for watching. And yeah, the next week will be exciting, so I'll try and film what I can.